Okay, I just came through the door. This is unit 1706. You walk in, and here is the kitchen. Very clean, except that it's missing a fridge that they took with them. Dishwasher, oven, stove, beige countertops. Here it is. And you walk in, and they've closed off one bedroom here. Great views. And bathroom. Closet. No electricity. So here's the bathroom. Sorry, it's so dark. Really hard to see with nothing. This is the view from the bedroom. This is kind of like the bedroom number 2 here. With the bathroom. Bath and shower are separate. The toilet and a huge walk-in closet. I can't see it though. So it's actually quite big. Here is the view from the living room. This is north facing. Goes all the way around, faces north. Really good unit. Actually, I have a friend who has the same unit.